Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Display. This is where Android controls real pixel scaling. Once there, find Display Size or Screen Zoom and tap it. If the option doesn't appear, make sure Developer Options are enabled by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. You want to be in the Display menu when you make changes so you can preview immediately. Act now. Open Display, confirm you see a live preview, and prepare to drag the slider to shrink the UI. You'll now shrink the interface by dragging the Display Size or Screen Zoom slider towards smaller. Move it slowly and watch the live preview change icons, text, and touch targets. That preview is exactly how apps will behave. Once done, navigate to Home and open a few apps and the keyboard to confirm readability and tap accuracy. If things feel cramped or too small, nudge the slider back a bit in 1 or 2 increments, then reboot to let system layouts refresh and stabilize. Finish by verifying usability across core apps. Launch messaging, browser, and settings to ensure buttons and text remain tappable. If an app's layout breaks or icons overlap, return to Display Size and move the slider toward default. Clearing that app's cache can also help. If problems persist, update Android system or toggle developer options off and back on to refresh system behavior. One key tip: if visibility is too low, restore the default display size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.